The TGH-24X Performance Chassis is a factory fit for electronics on SCX24. Welcome to Picks and Hobbies. In my previous video, I continued the upgrade series on my Axial SCX24 by adding much needed brass weights to the front end in search of the 60-40 weight distribution that I'm looking for. I installed the Hot Racing brass front steering knuckles and the brass diff cover. It added 25 grams to the front end, which got me to the 58% front, 42% rear weight distribution, but it also added to the overall weight to 297 grams. Team Garage Hack offers a carbon fiber performance chassis for Axial SCX24. I had it pre-ordered a while back. It finally arrived from the G-Speed chassis. So today I'm going to upgrade the chassis to the TGH-24X Performance Chassis. The TGH-24X Performance Chassis is a factory fit for electronics on SCX24. It incorporates rear shock hoops with multiple mounting locations. It offers a 5-degree angle skid, which should help with the sliding of obstacles. It's made of small weave carbon fiber, which weighs 5 grams versus the 16 grams that the stamped steel chassis weighs, which should help shape a bit of overall weight. Looking at the stock chassis, it looks to be fairly straightforward conversion. It will make it easier for the swap if you have the tires removed, which I have done so, and then make sure to remove the body first. It is held by 2 screws, 1 screw is on each side. Remove the front bumper mount held by 2 screws. Remove the 4 shocks. You just need to remove the top only. You can pull it out, but I prefer to loosen the screws. Remove the front ESC mount, battery mount, which is held by 2 screws each side, 4 screws altogether. Now let's tackle the 8 screws that is holding the links and the skid plate. There are 4 screws on each side. Remove the 4 outer screws which holds the links first. Now remove the 4 inner screws holding the skid plate, 2 on each side. Now you should be able to separate the chassis. Make sure to remove the rear shock mounts as I might use it. Here are the 2 chassis in comparison. You can clearly see the angled chassis. and then the separate or inclusive shock mounting points for the rear. Here's the SCX24 removed from the chassis. Most of them are fairly intact, and that should help with the installation. The install is the reverse process. Here's the orientation of the chassis. The shock hoops goes to the rear. The angle skid area goes to the front. Front, rear. Here's the TGH-24X Performance Chassis installed. With the TGH-24X Performance Chassis swap, I have reduced the overall weight by 12 grams to 285.4 grams. The overall weight distribution still remains at 58% front and 42% rear, so I'll still need a bit of adjustment to get to the 60-40 weight distribution that I'm looking for. Hope you found the information helpful. Please like and subscribe, and make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching Big Hobbies.